In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a user to Expensify. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what to fill out, and how to choose the right access for your teammate, all without any guesswork. Start by signing into your Expensify account and heading to the home screen. This is your central hub, and it's where you'll access everything related to your organization. On the left side of the screen, look for the Workspaces section. Click that to see the list of workspaces you have access to. If you're part of multiple teams or departments, you'll likely see several names here. Click the specific workspace where you want to add the new user and confirm you're in the correct one before moving on. Once you're inside the workspace, open the Members area. This is where you manage who has access to the workspace and what they're allowed to do. Next, click Invite Member. This opens a simple form to bring someone new into the workspace. In the invite field, type the person's name, email address, or phone number. For best results, use their company email so it matches your directory and makes user management easier down the line. Double check spelling here. A quick glance now can save you from a bounced invite later. When you're ready, click Next to continue. Now you'll choose the role. You'll see options like admin and member. A member is typically a standard user who submits expenses and participates in approval workflows. An admin has broader control. They can manage workspace settings, categories and policies, set approval rules, and invite or remove other users. If the person will help run the workspace or oversee compliance, choose admin. If they're just submitting expenses, choose member. Go ahead and select the role that fits their responsibilities. You'll also have the option to include a message. Type a short, friendly note that tells them why they're being added and what to do next, such as where to find the mobile app or which policy they'll use. Clear context here helps new users get started quickly and reduces back and forth. Finally, click Invite. Expensify will send the invitation and the person will appear in your members list. You may see them marked as pending until they accept. If they don't receive the invite within a few minutes, ask them to check spam or filters and confirm you used the correct email. After they join, you can return to the members area anytime to adjust their role or remove access if needed. That's it, quick, clear, and secure. You've successfully added a user to Expensify.